How to create a Line account. Want to chat, call and share with friends around the world? Here's how to create your one Line account in just a few simple steps. First, go ahead and tap on Line on your home screen. Now here you'll see two options, login and sign up. Tap on sign up. The line will automatically detect your country. If needed, you can select your country, correct region or country code manually and tap on continue with your Apple. Now just enter your username and you can create a password. Okay, then tap on done. And that's it, you have successfully created your Line account. Now you can start messaging, calling, joining groups and even using the Line stickers. If this helped, smash the like button, tap subscribe and drop a comment if you want to know how to add friends or use Line on PC next.